Hello everyone, I'm Batman, a bat who loves the sea. In today's video, we're kind of jumping into a new thing. When you export your models from Blender into Unity, sometimes you see some weird stuff happening. The face is not showing correctly inside Unity. I actually had this problem a lot some years ago and I found a fix for it. So I said I'd share this with you guys. This video will actually be put inside a series of videos covering Unity tips and tricks. This will actually help you in your game dev journey. So if you wish, you can check it out through the channel. I also published my retro horror game called Fractured Psyche. It's a retro VHS style horror game. If you're into this stuff, you can actually check it out with a link in the description. With all that being said, let's put on the mask and begin. So as I said in the intro, when you import objects from Blender into Unity, you won't see the other face. So I'm gonna go ahead inside Blender. I'm gonna create a plane. I'm gonna scale it up. I'm gonna rotate it 90 degrees. And as you see, you can see both of the sides and they're both visible. But when you go inside Unity, so I'm gonna export it as an FBX file. So export as an FBX file. And I'm gonna export it there. As you see, you can see this side, but you go that way and you don't see anything. You can see through it. A quick fix would be, just duplicating it and rotating it 180 degrees. But these are two objects. This was just a simple plane, and you don't usually use a simple plane in Unity. So what we're gonna do is, for example, I'm gonna give it some shape. Inside Blender, press E to scale it this way, to move it this way, and rotate it, scale it up. I'm gonna make a weird shape. I don't know what I'm creating right now, but I'm gonna create a weird shape. Yeah, that is it. Yeah, I don't know what this is. You can just kind of make it like something that people could go through this way. And come outside from this way. I don't know what I'm doing at the moment, but yeah, I thought that would be fun. So yeah, this is the model that we created from a simple plane. And when I export it, so I'm just gonna go to File, Export, FBX file, and I'm gonna call this one Test1 instead of Test. I put it inside Unity. I go ahead and place it here. You already see that you can see inside the objects. Just show you, you see, this is inside the objects. There are walls around, but we can see inside the objects. This was one thing that I had a long time ago and I searched for it a lot. I didn't find any fix for it some years ago, and the fix is actually very easy. And now I found a fix for it. It's very easy to do. What you gotta do is, you gotta go inside Blender, and you have any models that you export. You're just gonna go to Edit tab. You can press Tab, or you can select your object, come up here and go to edit mode and go to this face selection and press A to select all the objects. And when all the objects are selected, you're just gonna hold Alt and press N on your keyboard, and it's gonna open Normals tab. And when this is open, what you're gonna do is you're just gonna click on Recalculate Outside, and which is gonna make each face point outward instead of inward, and it's gonna fix that problem. So now that I did this fix, I'm gonna export it again. So File, Export as an FBX file, and I'm gonna call this one Test2, and I'm gonna export it, and I'm gonna go to this folder, and again I'm gonna add it to Unity. This one is called Test2, and now as you see, I go inside Unity and I import my model. You see, all the faces are visible. This object is actually this object. You see, this doesn't have this visible face, and this has the visible face. And this time you can't go inside it because all the faces are reversed, and this only works if you want your face to look outward, and this problem is now fixed. So next time, if you have a similar problem in Blender and you export your model from Blender into Unity and the faces look all weird, this would be a very quick fix for it. That's how to make faces look actually normal inside Unity when you export it from Blender. I hope you guys enjoyed this very quick tutorial. It was actually the first time, maybe kind of the first time I actually went inside Blender. I used to make animations inside Blender as well. I'm actually using Blender for a new game that I'm creating for that company, so I might be able to show some stuff about Blender as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, a like would be amazing. You can subscribe to see more contents like this. Thank you guys so much. You guys are amazing. You guys are full of support and positive energy. I don't know how to thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope all the very best for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.